Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer money from Afterpay to Cash App. Start by opening the Cash App on your phone and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're in, tap on the Activity tab at the bottom of the screen. This tab shows all your recent transactions. From the list, find and select the Afterpay purchase you want to pay for. When you open it, you'll see all the details of that transaction. Look for the Pay button and tap on it. Next, Cash App will ask you to choose how much you want to pay. You can enter either the full payment amount or a smaller amount, depending on what you'd like to pay at that time. After entering the amount, tap Done. Cash App will then process your payment and send it to Afterpay. Make sure you have enough balance in your Cash App before making the payment. Once it's completed, you'll see a confirmation in your Activity tab. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.